Multinational corporations, MNCs. The term multinational is widely used all over the world to denote large companies having vast financial, technical, managerial, and marketing resources. MNCs are like holding companies having one fixed head office in one country and business activities spread within the country of origin and other countries. MNCs have been playing a dominant role globally and have been integrating the world economy. Nearly all major multinationals are American, Japanese, or West European. Examples include Coca-Cola, Walmart, Toshiba, Honda, and BMW. Role of MNCs. Keywords are given above, kindly refer the same. Point number 1. Work culture. MNCs introduces a work culture of excellence, professionalism, and fairness in deals. The sole objective of multinational is profit maximization. To achieve this, the multinationals use various strategies like product innovation, technology upgradation, professional management, etc. Point number 2. Marketing opportunities. MNCs have access to many markets in different countries. They have the necessary skill and expertise to market products at international level. Further, MNCs can undertake selling of products from one country to another country on a large scale. In the field. Point number 3. Economic development. The developing countries need both foreign capital and technology to explore, exploit, and use available natural resources for economic and industrial growth. MNCs assist developing countries to increase efficiency and productivity through transfer of technology and foreign investment. Point number 4. Research and development. The resources and experience of MNCs in the field of research enables the host country to establish efficient research and development system. It is a fact that many MNCs are now shifting their research units to countries like India to avail of monetary incentives and cheap labor. Fill in the investment gap for much needed infrastructure. Point number 5. Industrial growth. MNCs are dynamic and offer growth opportunities for domestic industries. The professional approach of MNCs in production and marketing helps to increase profitability of local industries. A combination between MNCs and domestic company is useful to exploit the untapped resources, ensure industrial growth, etc. Point number 6. Investment in infrastructure. MNCs have helped to build up the infrastructure of countries. They fill in the investment gap for much needed infrastructure. The investment in infrastructure by MNCs give a boost to industrial growth and thus facilitates in creating employment and contribution to the economic growth of India. Number 7. Technology transfer. MNCs have huge funds and expertise to develop new technology. They play an important role in technology upgradation of developing countries. Technology helps to reduce cost, improve quality, increase the speed of production, etc. Point number 8. Support to local industry. MNCs provide a ready-made market to domestic suppliers of raw materials or semi-finished products. In recent years, many MNCs have opened their production units in India, and many of their minor requirements of spare parts, raw material, etc. are being met by local suppliers.